Tawla gan Jake Phillips. O, gyffyrddiad hyfryd gan Meier. Fel at y postyn pella. Ac mae fewn. Fflint ar y blaen. Kai Edwards yn y postyn pella. Gwaith hyfryd gan Ben Meier. Ac mae Kai Edwards sgoriau ail gol o'r tymor i roi Fflint gol i ddim ar y blaen. Dwaleder. Troi. Kenny. Torri fewn. Chwilio am Wild. Wild yn ar ei droed chwith. Ac oddi ar y postyn gan Cadwaladr. Wel, dihangfa eto i Hwlffordd. Cadwaladr yna yn sit ar wyneb y ddaear, dydy hi ddim yn dwy ddim i Fflint. A Patson, wrthyn nhw'n clirio. Mae'r bel di disgyn i Wild. Ydy Wild rwan, mae Wild wedi rhwydo ail gol Fflint. Bel hir dros yr amddiffyn. Michael Wild. A dydy'r ymosodwr profiadol ddim yn mynd i wastraffu cyfle fela. Cic hir gan Itzi. Cyffyrddiad hyfryd gan Wild. Bel drwadd, ydy Kenny yna gynta, yndi, Kenny heibio'r golwr, a mae Jack Kenny yn rhwydo ei degfad gol o'r tymor. Cyffyrddiad hyfryd gan Michael Wild, y Bale yn holli'r amddiffyn, a Jack Kenny yna o flaen Itzi, i wneud sy'n 2-0 just cyn y hannar. Gwaith dda gan Fawcett. Tynnu'r Bale yn ôl ac mae yna. Yr eilyddion yn cyfuno. Williams yn cael y gol. Os na obaith yma i Hwlffordd. O. Fel drwadd i Kenny. Kenny heibio i Itzi'n y gol. A Jack Kenny a rhaid Fflint 4-1 ar y blaen. Ac efo 10 munud i fynd, triphwynt i Fflint yn saff. Jones. Dio Fawcett. Fawcett ar ei droed de. Am ergyd gan Daniel Fawcett. Ac am arbediad gan Ryan Wood yn y gol. Fawcett yn troi ar ei droed de. Ond Wood yn arbed yn rhagorol. Waith dda eto gan Wild. Kenny drwadd, di ar ei hat-trick. Heibio'r golwr, o Jones yn y fan ar lle, cliriodd ar y lein.
We're in a relegation battle. Trust me now when I say that, we are in a relegation battle. And unless we perform a lot better than we did today, in terms of the manner we're conceding goals, as well as not taking them. You know, we're in great areas, good chances here. Unless we can sort that out, we are in a relegation battle. We know that. We're realistic enough to know that. And players are playing for the future with us now.
We're disappointed with the last two results. However, you know, sitting second in the league, you know, we'd 100% have taken that at the start of the season. So, you know, the lads are in very good spirits. We regrouped after the Bala performance. We regrouped after, you know, having no game last week. So we had 2 weeks to work hard on what we needed to get back to, really, you know, because we'd been doing things really, really well to a certain point. And we maybe come away from that a little bit. So we regrouped and trained well for the last 2 weeks. We were eager to get going today and it couldn't come soon enough for us. And I think the way that we started probably proved that. And it's nice to be back to winning ways because we haven't been beaten this season and not responded. So it was important we did that today, and the 3 points are credit to the players.
I will say, you know, I questioned just before they scored the first goal, you know, the players with us were adamant there was a penalty just before that, not given by the linesman or the referee, but we'd have to see that again and see where we're at. But, you know, disappointed just the manner for us in both boxes, not just the way we conceded. You know, we could have easily come here and scored 3 or 4 today, but have we taken our chances? But it wasn't to be, and a quality side like Fflint punished us.